Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. I am so excited because I have a mystery box unboxing for you guys. What I have in front of me is the Trendmood Mystery Box. I believe I paid about, I think $45 for this. Now, if you're not familiar with what Trendmood is, it's an Instagram page that is run by a gal named Sophie. I pretty much get all of my makeup news, heads up on all of the up-and-coming makeup and beauty launches. I pretty much find out everything that is all things makeup and new releases from her Instagram page. She developed this Trendmood box. I think it's one of the best you can get. It is not a subscription, but every month or so, she will release a box that is extremely fairly priced, filled with brand new products, popular products from all sorts of different brands, from very popular to drugstore to indie. It is a really cool concept. So when I saw that she was releasing a mystery box, I was so on board. Now, if you have gotten several of her releases, I don't think that this would be worth it for you because what is inside is products from her previous boxes. I have only gotten 2 of them before, so I am confident that I'll get enough new product in here that it will be worth it for me to pick up one of these mystery boxes. So I'm going to share this with you guys. We'll see what I got inside. So let's just dive into it and let's see what products I got. I have no clue what is inside of here. Now, the first thing I see on top is actually a product that I did get in one of the boxes that I purchased. This is the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This is actually one of my all-time favorite skincare products. To me, this is one of the best releases of 2020 from a skincare brand. This stuff is fantastic. So it is a hyaluronic acid serum. It is so good. And if you know anything about Glow Recipe, their products are super clean, full of really good ingredients. I can't rant and rave enough about this product. I absolutely love what it does for my skin. I'm actually not upset that I got this because once I run out of my other one, I have another one right here. I think this product alone is like $45. So already it covers the cost of the box. And again, what's really cool about it, this is not sponsored by any means, is that this was a brand new product. Before this even hit stores, it was in the Trendmood box. So just to kind of give you an example of what to expect if you're interested in it in the future, this is the kind of products that you're going to get into it. I do want to show you guys what it looks like, take it out of the box, and here is what it looks like. Again, I love this stuff. Even if you don't get it in this box or if you haven't gotten it through Trendmood, I highly recommend getting this. You can get it at Sephora. It is a game-changing product. It plumps your skin beautifully. It's so good. Thumbs up, total stamp of approval. Let's move on to the next item. Again, this is a product that I actually received. This is kind of odd that another product I've gotten, like I said, considering I've only purchased 2 of her boxes and there's been several boxes that she's released. This is from Skinfix. This is the Eczema Foaming Oil Body Wash. I wasn't a huge fan of this product personally. I don't know. I just don't feel like it really did anything as far as like helping my dry skin. I didn't feel like it was hydrating or anything like that. It did win a Best of Beauty from Allure in 2016. But like I said, I don't know. I didn't notice a difference. I didn't feel like my skin was any less dry or less tight or anything like that. And I did use it several times. So this one I might save and just put aside maybe for a family member that might like it, or maybe I'll put it into a giveaway for someone that might enjoy it more than me. So 2 for 2 products that I've already received in other boxes, which is a risk, I know. The next item I see here is actually from Glowskin. Now this one I did not get. I don't know what's inside, so let's take a look and see what's in this little plastic zip bag. We've got a Glowskin Beauty headband. So I'm assuming that this is something that you can put on while you're doing your skincare routine to keep your hair out of the way. Then we've got, let's see, what is this? This is the Retinol Plus C Peel Boost. Oh my goodness, so this must be like an at-home peel kit. That is really cool. I love a good peel, especially in the winter time when your skin is just super dry and you've got some buildup, things are clogged up, and you got to add a little bit of that brightness to your dull skin. So I think that that's what this is. It must come with, I'm hoping, instructions on how to use this. This is what it looks like. It's got like a little dish right here, some gauze, which I know you can wipe away and neutralize the peel. Some aftercare stuff like a cream cleanser. And again, you've got the little vial here. This literally looks exactly like a peel that you would get in a med spa. I've had those before, and this literally looks exactly like that, which is pretty cool that they have an at-home version of this. And it looks like, oh, this is kind of cool. There's also a skincare brush in here. So this is perfect for masks and again, putting on a solution. That's really cool. I'm super excited to try this. GloSkin is actually an extremely underrated brand. I wish more influencers talked about their stuff. I'm actually wearing their brow pencil right now, their Presice Browliner, I believe it's called. It is my holy grail brow product. I've talked about it on my channel before. I like other brow products, but I love this one. So I think GloSkin is just totally slept on. They have amazing makeup. They have awesome skincare products. So again, that is a win. Thumbs up. I am super excited about trying out this peel. I'll have to keep you guys posted on that. Next we have, a palette from Colored Rain, another brand that I feel is so underrated. I've talked about Colored Rain eyeshadows on my channel before. You guys, they are next level good. So it looks like this is a 6-pan palette. This is the Smoke Show palette. Super cute packaging. Their shadows are just so extremely high quality. You do have a mirror on the inside, and here is what the shades look like. Now these are definitely shades that I can see myself wearing, especially pretty much these 4 mattes right here. And I love this green shade as well. There's only one metallic shade, or it almost looks maybe satin, and that's this black shade right here, Smokescreen, which I'm totally okay with. Let's go ahead and do some swatches. Their mattes are so extremely pigmented. Like I said, if you haven't tried this formula before, you definitely need to. The Safari palette, which I don't think you can get anymore from them, is incredible, but their Queen of Hearts palette is just so good. Some of the best shadows I've ever tried. Okay, that's kind of a funky spot on my hand to do a swatch. It didn't turn out that great, but I'm sure it'll blend beautifully if it's anything like their other shadows. Super pretty colors, not something that I would maybe reach for every single day. I mean, there's definitely neutral shadows in here that are suitable for daily use. This is a pretty palette. I'm glad that I got it. Again, like I said, I really do enjoy the Colored Rain formula. Let's go ahead and move on to the next item that I see in here, and it looks like I got 2 of the Tatcha. This is the Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. I have heard so many good things about this sheet mask. I am so happy that I got this in this box. These are pretty spendy masks. I do really like Tatcha products. This one definitely says that they are for normal to dry skin. Let's see what kind of ingredients we have in here. We've got fermented rice, water, glycerin. There are some seed oils in this, rice germ oil, licorice root extract, a lot of really good things. I don't see any, oh wait, there is. There is fragrance and alcohol at the very end of the ingredients list, which I'm not too bothered by. At least it's not super high up on the list where I think it would irritate my skin. Looks like it's probably very minimal, and there's actually more of the, what I would call active ingredients in it than that, which is really important. So I'm really excited to try these out. It's really awesome that I got 2 of them. Thumbs up for that. Right. It looks like I have one more item in here, and it looks like I got the Nudestix Lip Glaze. This is in the shade Nude 06, and I think I actually got this in the same box that I got the hyaluronic acid serum in. So I do already own this lip product as well, I believe. I don't know if I got another shade or if this is the same exact shade. I'll have to double check, but I believe I do have this already. It is a very beautiful nude shade. I really like Nudestix. A lot of their products are really just fun, gives you natural, kind of effortless beauty. So yeah, I think this is another one that I might have to put in the giveaway or give to a friend or family member pile. That's what I got in this box. Let's do a quick recap. I think what I'm actually most excited for is the peel kit from GloSkin Beauty. This is awesome. Talk about some self-care, giving yourself a spa treatment in the very comfort of your home. I think that this is a really cool and unique concept to have this in a box, so that this was ever in a box in general, and to get it in a mystery box is super cool. So I'm really excited about that. So stoked that I got another Glow Recipe Plum Plump Serum. Like I said, I'm a huge fan of this, and I have no problems having a backup for when I run out of mine. I also really like the Tatcha face masks. I am a huge fan of just, again, being able to put on a face mask, relax, unwind, play a game on my phone, sip some coffee or hot chocolate or something, and to just kind of give myself some relaxation, me time, self-care. That's really what I associate sheet masks with personally. I don't know if anyone else does, but I totally do, so I'm really happy about that. Next, I would say I'm pretty happy about the Colored Rain Smoke Show palette. Well, it's not the best palette I could have received. I really do enjoy the formula, and there are some very wearable shades in here. There's not those bright champagne metallics that I normally like to see with my neutral shadows, but again, I love the formula, and I'm glad that this was actually even featured in her boxes because I think Colored Rain is definitely a very slept on brand. They have some of the best eyeshadows, so I'm really happy to see that. Not really too stoked about the eczema body wash. Like I said, I didn't really enjoy this, so again, that's kind of a giveaway type deal. And then obviously with the Nudestix lip glaze, I really love this formula, but again, it's a product that I already have, and I'm not like so in love with it like I am the Glow Recipe Plum Plum Serum that like I'm so excited to have an extra. I'd rather just give this to a friend or family member or put it into a giveaway. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you picked up a Trendmood mystery box. Have you purchased some of her other boxes? What do you think about it? Regardless, like I said, even if I got products that I've already had, to pay $45 for this and to get this quality of products, these brand names in here, this really trumps any other monthly box in my opinion. I've kind of actually given up on BoxyCharm for the most part as of right now. I've done it before, I may go back to them, but when I can spend anywhere from $45 to $65 on a Trendmood box when it does launch, to not have to worry about the monthly commitment, to just buy when I want to, yes, there is that risk of them selling out, but you're getting better products and you know what you're getting and you can decide what you want. She always will announce what's in the boxes before. So I really do like that. I think that this is a much better concept personally than BoxyCharm or really even Ipsy, to be totally honest with you, because you know what you're getting. They're newer products. It feels more worth it to me. So that is my opinion. Again, let me know if you got a box. What do you think about this? Give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it, share it, and of course, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button before you go. I would appreciate it more than you know. I love you guys so much. As always, thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.